Hey y'all. Okay, so y'all know we starting the seeds and stuff like that. And well, I'm starting the seeds or whatever. And I know that there was somebody else that said that they is gonna be following along with me on getting them a garden going. Okay, good thing, good thing. We doing this together. We got this, we gonna do this. But let me tell you something. Okay, so in the other video I had showed y'all about when you do your seeds and stuff like that, how you set them up in the crayon box, right? I don't know if I'm gonna add this to that video or this gonna be separately. But I wish I would have showed y'all what the seeds look like. But the seeds is already sprouting and it's been 2 days. Some seeds takes 5 days to be germinated, and I had some that was 7 to 12 days. So y'all, so I just put some more water on them because you don't want your seeds to dry out, because if you let the seeds dry out, then um they die. They no good. Okay. So I just put some more water on them and tilted it over to make sure that I don't drown the ones that's on the bottom. I don't know if that's possible, but or rock the ones on the bottom. How about that? Rock the ones on the bottom. And so I just tilted them after I watered them to make sure I drain all the excess water off of them. Okay, but I also want to kind of like make them kind of extra damp too, because I found a way to incubate them, right? Okay, so that's the term I'm going to use because they my babies. And incubate is like what you do for newborn babies that might need to go in a little warmer and stuff like that. You know how you got to put the babies in the warmer. I think that's incubate. Child, don't get me started. Y'all know I got no children. But anyway. Anywho, I know they do that for the preemies and stuff like that. They put them in the little warmers and stuff to keep their temperature up. Okay, so this what we got. We got preemies. We dealing with preemies. That's how I'm thinking about it. We dealing with preemies. So I put the container on top of the crayon box with the seeds and stuff in it on top of the refrigerator. But then I was like, I checked it after a day. It's now 2 days later, and my seeds already sprouting. Okay, so I put the crayon box on top of the refrigerator because I watched a video where it was saying that you could take it and put your seeds and stuff on top of the refrigerator because the refrigerator draws heat. Well, I guess with the type of refrigerator that I have, it don't really draw much heat on the outside of it. So I kept checking it like after the first day, trying to see if it was really warming up, but it never felt like it was warming up. And it's cold outside and my house be kind of cool, and I'm like, I don't think these things gonna get enough heat or whatever. I wanted them to have some heat because I felt like they needed some heat. Because you know how sometimes when you start seeds and you put a light on them, to warm them, to keep them warm, right? Okay, so I didn't have a light to do that, but I thought of the next best thing, something that was going to draw heat. If the refrigerator wasn't going to do it, what else in the house could I have done? So let me show y'all what I did. And it's been incubating them, y'all. It's been drawing just enough heat. It's not too hot. When I touch the bottom of it, it's not like super hot or anything. I think this is the perfect amount of heat, y'all, for my seeds. And they've been doing good ever since I've did this. Okay, let me show y'all what I did. Let me show you that. Okay, so over here in my corner, I'm in my room. So over here on my dresser, right? Y'all see the seeds, right? Over here on my dresser. This is my, I don't know if it's some kind of box. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi box. Oh, I think that's from the plan I had sitting on it. But I don't know if that's the Wi-Fi box or whatever kind of box this is. It's like a Roku type of box, right? From my cable company. But anyway, no, it's not the Wi-Fi box. I know it's not the Wi-Fi box. It's like the Roku box that comes from the cable company, right? Okay, so this right here, when I touched it, I walked in here, I was like, I said, I know electronic stuff get hot. So I had touched it, and it was like cool to the touch, but I felt a little warmness like right here, right? So I was like, I believe I could just use this to sit on there and it'll draw a little heat. Y'all see that condensation up in there? You see that? Do you see that right there? That's how you know We got some heat going on, y'all. So I set this here with the seeds in it on top of the little thing there. And girl, it's been incubating the seeds, child. It's been giving them the heat that they need, y'all. Y'all, am I brilliant or am I brilliant though? Am I brilliant though? So, if you have something in your house like a VCR, DVD, like Wi-Fi box, something that ain't gonna like something that's not getting really, 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 really hot, and you got seeds that you're trying to get started, do it like sit that crayon box on top of that little box, and it's gonna draw just enough heat to keep them warm. Now make sure you check it after a day though. Depends on how much heat yours create. Make sure you check it after a day because you know with it sitting directly on it, um the bottom layer of seeds may try to dry out. So I don't want my seeds to dry out. So I've been checking it every day to make sure that it's still kind of damp. And if it feels like it's any little bit of dry, I've been adding some water to it or whatever. So I've added water to the bottom layer of it yesterday. But then I said, well, let me go through it and check them to see if they if the rest of them need water, because now we got some warmth up in there. So I was like, let me go through it and check it to see if the rest of it need some water in there. So good thing I did, because some of the paper towels was like had done kind of like pretty much they wasn't as wet as they was from the beginning. So I just wet them again, and I just tilted it to the side, and I wetted each layer. Made sure I went through and wetted each layer. It's gonna be okay to wet each layer. And then I tilted it to the side and drained all the excess water off of it after doing that. And I put them right back in their incubator, child, on their incubator. And we got us a little warmer for our seed shot, and it's been working, y'all. Okay, so now on to the onions. We're gonna go outside for this one. On to the onions. I'm finna give my onions some water because we got some nice little sun today. We got nice sun yesterday. But I don't know if these onions still grow. I see like little extra legs come, like little new growth onions coming off on them. But I don't know if like the cold must have stunted the growth on them or something, or what's going on with them, because they don't look like they got any taller to me. They still standing up, but they don't look like they got any taller. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna give them some water, because I haven't watered them since I planted them, and then the day after I planted them it rained. So I haven't given them no water in like 2 days, I think it is. It's probably been like 2 or 3 days. I'm gonna say 2 days. I don't think it's been 3 days because we was getting rain. So I haven't given them no water in like 2 days. Yeah, it's probably been like 2 days since they had water. So I'm gonna give them some water and see what happened. Maybe they need some water. They haven't drooped over or nothing like that. They still standing up. It's just that they just laid. Oh, I mean they don't look like they don't grew anymore. So I've been expecting them to still be growing and all that right there. Which I do see like little babies coming off. So maybe they is growing, but they just ain't getting taller. So I'm finna give them some water, and we're gonna hope for the best. But they still look good, y'all. Let me show you. All right, so this what they looking like right here, y'all. You see all the little extra little ones coming off, and they still strong. Yeah, they still strong, but they got all of them got these little new ones coming off. So maybe they is doing something. I'm just looking for them to get taller. But yeah, they doing something, y'all. They got little legs. Look at them. They got all these little new ones coming off on them. So they doing good, y'all. I guess I got to just be patient. They're not gonna get no taller. This one right here, I don't know what this one here doing. But I'm just let it stand up like that on that one. And I'm just finna give him some water. Look at that one I fell over, but it got a baby coming on there too. So yeah, I'm finna give him some water. And that's probably all. Yeah, because that's kind of Oh yeah, they want some water. Yep, they want some water. So I'm finna give them some water. And maybe they'll be alright. Alright, y'all. So yeah, I wanted to just update y'all on the plants and the seeds and all that stuff. Let y'all see the process and all that good stuff. It's going good. I'm excited, y'all. So I can't. So extra, I know, but I'm excited though, for real though, y'all. I'm so excited. So I can't wait to put these seeds in the dirt within like the next, since it's only been 2 days. um I'm gonna give them like, some of them probably already ready to go in the dirt. I'm not sure because it got a little. I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow what they look like. I'm gonna give it one more day, and I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow what they look like. And the ones that actually done grew a little tail on them, they looking like little tadpoles. And so the ones that done grew the little tails on them, I'm going to show y'all what they look like, and y'all let me know if they ready to go in the dirt. But I think they is probably ready to go to in the dirt because a lot of them got little tails on them. So we're gonna be getting those ready to go in the dirt so that they can be setting their roots in the dirt, getting and start getting big so they can get planted in them a pot, child. Yes, child. I'm excited, child. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. Got me some babies, child. But anyway, I'm excited now because, honey, we ain't got out the door yet where the bugs and stuff is in. But y'all just keep praying for me, child, that I just get over the fear of these bugs, honey, and that I just become one with this nature. Because, baby, when I tell you, me and bugs just don't get along. And Moody, I feel you, girl. Muta say, I'm scared of caterpillars. Girl, I'm scared of everything, okay? I'm scared of it all. Caterpillars, spiders, roaches, lizards, worms, butterflies, flies, bees, stink bugs, everything. Ants. I'm scared of everything, child. So, baby, y'all just keep praying for me. But this gonna be a good one for us, y'all. This gonna be a good one for us. I got a good feeling that I'm gonna do good with this right here because, like I said, I'm trying to do what's gonna be simple for me, not too much. And I think that, as long as I try to do what's simple and not too much, I think that it's gonna go good. It's gonna go good. So I'm finna get some water on these too and let them just do their thing. If they probably just need some water, that's probably why they like, we stiff over here. It's been cold, but we standing strong still. We stiff. We need a little water. So I'm gonna give them a little water and maybe they'll be all right. So let's water 'em. I'm just trying to water down to the root of them instead of wetting them up. I'm trying to water them until they start running, till the water start running out. I ain't think they were gonna take all this water. Listen to them drink. They thirsty. I guess they say, now you gonna be our mama. You gonna have to feed us now. Okay, so it's coming out the bottom now. So that should be enough water. All right, y'all. So I'll catch y'all on the next couple of days, and maybe we'll see what's going on with them by the end. And don't forget to hit that like button. Tell a friend, tell your mama friend, and tell your mama to tell. No, tell your mama and tell your mama to tell her friend. Okay? All right. Peace, y'all.